works for Green Grass Mowing Company. He is paid a fixed amount for each lawn he completes during the day. In addition to mowing lawns, Green Grass Mowing Company offers its customers a fertilization treatment for an additional cost. For every fertilization treatment Ken secures, he receives an additional $7 in pay. Which two forms of compensation does Ken receive for his work? Salary, hourly, piecework, equity, commission. Ken is paid a fixed amount for each lawn he mows, an example of piecework. He is also paid a $7 commission for each fertilization treatment he sells to his customers. Great job! See if you can determine the compensation provided in this scenario. Chris was hired to help boost a startup company's sales and marketing strategies. The startup company does not have enough cash to continue paying Chris his full salary. Chris is passionate about the company's vision and has agreed to receive some of his pay in company stocks. Which two forms of compensation is Chris receiving for his work? Salary, hourly, piecework, equity, commission. The first answer is easy, salary. We are told that Chris is receiving a salary. Here's where it gets a little tricky. We know that the company cannot continue paying his full salary, so they offer him company stocks. Well, stocks are equity in the company. Since Chris is passionate about this startup company, he now has a stake in the company and can help it continue to grow. Chris is an employee for the company, but he also holds another role now. Do you know what that is? We just learned about it. That's right, he is also a stockholder.